Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about configure an Azure AD multi-factor authentication registration policy. So why do we use MFA registration policy? So it makes sure that users are registered for Azure AD multi-factor authentication. So if a sign-in risk policy prompts for MFA, the user must already be registered for the Azure AD multi-factor authentication. So let's go ahead and see how it works. And so here you have to go to the security. So it's in a manage, so click the security, and under security you have protect. In that you have to click identity protection, click that. So we have talked about user risk policy as well as sign risk policy, and today we'll be talking about multi-factor authentication registration policy. So there are few advantages of doing this. So basically it gives a strong layer of authentication for the security purpose, and it plays a key role in preparing your organization to self-remediate from risk detections in identity protection. So due to which we'll be using this, right? So let's go ahead and click that. So you can see right now for the enforced policy is off, and we have like very few options. I would not say few, but just only one. So just click the users under assignments. So right now we have all the users, so we can select individual user and we can assign the policy to them. So if I click select, and here are the users from our directory, so we can select a specific user or a group accordingly based on our needs. So right now I'll just select a user here, and you can also exclude the users if you want. Let's say I just want to exclude like Isabel, so I can just exclude her, but in this case I just leave her. And coming to the controls, you see require Azure AD multi-factor authentication registration. So we have included only one person in this just to test it, implementing the policy. So where is that? Security protection, all users, select the user that we have tested, click that, and make sure that you're on the policy and save it. So this is how simple it is to implement the multi-factor authentication registration policy. And coming to the next video, we'll test whether our policy is working properly or not. So, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.